Good morning guys, in front of me is MOTOROLA Razr 70 Ultra, and let me show you how to activate Google Backup. So first of all, enroll the settings, then find and select System and go to Backup. Here, mark Turn On, and if you do not have your account added yet, you will have to provide either email or phone number along with the password to your Google account. And now just mark everything that you want to backup. I'll go with both photos and videos along with other device data. Once marked, just click on confirm. And that's it. As you can see, backup is active now, and your data is automatically backed up to your Google account when the device is idle. So that's it. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.